All right, back at the salvage yard, they have another Avalon. It's pretty much the exact same one. They do have seats. Let's get a good look at these seats for you. That driver's side seat is messed up. They got wheels in the back. I don't know if they got all four though. There's two. I don't know if there's two more back here. Nope, they only got two of them. The mats look like they might clean up. I don't think I'm gonna grab those though. But the seats is good except for the driver's seat. Everything else is decent. What is this? You know what? Take these gloves. There's a couple of little trim pieces I gotta get. See what else they got in here. But it's not. But the seat, this seat is good. It looks like the back seats are good. Let me close the door. But it's just the driver's seat that's tore up on this one. And then the radio, of course I gotta get a radio. I'm gonna check this radio out. It's already wired. It looks to be kind of wired, kind of crazy though. I'm gonna look at this more carefully, but I don't think. It looks like somebody took all the little trim pieces. I need this trim piece. It looks like somebody took it, but oh man, what's in here? Probably the book is in there, and I already bought the book. Yep. So I'm gonna go through this and see if I can find the trim pieces, and then we'll get on. All right, I'm back at the salvage yard. This is the next day. Got the radio. It actually has a CD player on it, so that's perfect. CD player, USB. Does it have Bluetooth? I don't need Bluetooth. I don't use Bluetooth. But I'm just gonna look at the wires. We got red to black, yellow to white, black to brown, green to white, gray to red, purple to yellow. Now we got like a white, black, maybe that's the same one, braided to red. How to do this real quick. You want to just get whatever pry tool you use, pry all around the little plastic parts, pry around here, pry down here, get it off, unhook that, and then this part will come off. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. All right, on my stereo, since this is already an aftermarket, there's already a harness down in there. So I don't know if I could just plug and play this harness right here. But the previous owner already has a harness in there. So I will have to come back to this tomorrow because it is pretty dark out here. And I want to make sure everything works right. All right, what you want to do is you want to take the screws off of this piece, and you just want to transpose them to the other radio. And if you don't have 2 brackets like I do, then you're not going to have to transpose everything. You're just going to have to just take the radio out. But I can leave the brackets in place and just take the parts I need, which is just that part right there. Then I'm going to take my antenna out. Then I take this left-right cable out and that harness out. All right, so on my radio, it just had a harness, white and red. I don't know if you guys can see that. It had a harness, white and red, and an antenna. Took it out, and so I could just remove this and get to installing this one. I don't know if the harness is going to be the same, but I'm just going to try it because there's already an aftermarket harness in here. So I may as well try it. And then I have a white and red and then an antenna. So I don't know how this is going to work. All right. Those audio plugs go white, gray, green, purple for front and rear. I got everything hooked up with the harness. I plugged the harness back in. The car's off, so I don't see anything. So let's see if we get any type of power. We get nothing. Uh-oh. We got something. We got something going. For some odd reason, I'm only getting radio from front right. That's the only one I'm getting radio from. I hear nothing, but this could be a setting. All right, if you have the Panasonic 750 BT, the Bluetooth radio, and you cannot get sound from your rear speakers, this is the fix. Right here, this is the Toyota harness for the first generation Camrys and the Avalons. This is the harness, and it has a striped blue and white. And I was connecting that to the other blue and white, which did kind of work, but the issue was I was not getting sound from the rear unless I clicked on the amp button, and even then I was only getting like really low bass. I looked up everything online, and it said that the reason that is because you're not getting enough power to the rear speakers, and you actually need to hook up this wire. This is the Toyota side, and this is the Pioneer side. I might have said Panasonic at the beginning of the video. I believe the radio is a Pioneer. My fault. So blue and white, but on the Toyota side, it has this solid blue wire. They say what you need to do, you need to braid this solid blue wire or twist it, whatever, to this blue and white, and you connect them both to this blue and white right here. So that ensures that you're getting some kind of connection to this blue and white and to this solid blue. And according to the solid blue, see, that says amp turn on, but this, what is this solid? I think the solid blue says like power antenna, I believe. I'm trying to find it so I can show it to you on camera, but I'm almost 100% sure it says power antenna because I've written this stuff down and researched it for hours. But yeah, this solid blue needs to be hooked up apparently. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to see if it works.